Okay, so this street is called Calçada do Carmo, and Carmo Church is up at the top. Those lights are going to come on in a little bit. I think they're going to come on at 6 o'clock, I think. It's 5:52 right now. So we're going to walk up that way. This one is a street that goes into Taipa village. And we're going to focus on this a little bit, and we're going to go up to the Carmo Church. We'll show you some of the views. And then those lights will come on, and we'll probably come back down the same street here as well, Calçada do Carmo. So stay tuned for that. Before we even go up, I'll just show you this quick little shrine. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna go up Carmo. The lights are just coming on as well, so we have this really nice view, and then those lights will come on in a moment. So we'll just cross the street right there. Then yeah, you can see where the lights are going to come on in a moment. Our target street is Carmo. Calçada do Carmo. Let me just go this way slightly. The lights are just coming on, so that street light will be on in a little bit, and then when it does, it'll have a totally different effect. So we are going to go up, we'll see the church, and then we're going to come back down. So you're going to see it without the lights, and then you'll see it with the lights. And I believe that they'll pop on at 6 o'clock or 6:01. So let's slowly go on up. Got the large banyan trees. So the banyan trees kind of symbolize the street. Then once those lights come on, it'll have a different effect altogether. So so we'll catch that as well. At the top is Carmo Church. You also have some things like that, like a little coffee shop, cookies. Make yourself at home. So Carmo Church is at the top, and there's also a nice beautiful building with beautiful pillars as well, so that would be a focus too, which you'll see all of that soon. Taipa Centro, the downtown is all the tall buildings on the side. And yeah, I think 6:01 is when the lights come on, so let's slowly go up. Better views all the time. You see some rooftops all the way up as well. And then we have one more up that we're gonna go up, and then you're gonna see the some of this beautiful architecture like that building and the pillars, and you can also see some of the Cotai strip as well, so you'll see all that. The lights are just coming on too, so the lights for the church are coming on now. And then this one is where we just came from. So we catch it with a lantern, and then later that lantern looks like it's out. Looks like all the lanterns are out up here, but we'll capture all those neon lights when they come on in a little bit. Okay, so let me just check it all out. So now we're in something called Largo do Carmo, which is like what do you call that? Largo is like square. So we're just going to walk towards the church a little bit. Usually they say no filming. So let's This is welcome for praying, but not for tour. So we're just gonna walk over this way a little bit, give you a view, a little bit of what's all around here. Largo do Carmo. Then we're gonna overlook the Cotai Strip. So down here you can see Venetian Casino and Londoner Casino, City of Dreams. So let's just walk. We're gonna go back down that way. The lights will come on at 6:01, I believe. If not, that'll be too bad, because that'll be one of the goals that I want to do in this video, is capture that. It's 5:58, so in 3 minutes we'll see if the lights come on exactly at that time or not. Then this is the beautiful park right there, and then now you have the museum houses, and those are all, I think those lights are usually on anyways, so you'll usually catch that, and you can see lots of people down below in the park area. So yeah, very, very cool. So it's 5:58 to 5:59. I think those lights will be coming on our little Target street. So let's try to capture that. Then this beautiful building has all these nice pillars. And I think these lights will come on too in a minute. So I think all of that will come on. Right now it's 5:59. So I think at 6 o'clock or 6:01, the lights will just come on. We'll find out in about a minute. Those are the church bells right there. So that means it's 6 o'clock. In the distance, you can see the Broadway Casino, the red corner way down there. That's the casino in the distance. And then I believe that these lights are going to come on at 6:01. If I'm wrong, 6 o'clock right now. So I believe they're programmed to be off until 6 o'clock, and then 6:01 they'll just come on. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Let's just go down. See if they come on at 6:01. Nope, 6:01. They didn't come on. So, okay. In that case, we'll just go down anyways. So I don't know what time they'll come on then. Maybe 6:30? Huh, that's too bad. But when they do come on, that'll look nice. You know, actually, I think some lights come on at 6:01, but maybe these are part of the light show. So let me see. The light show might be at a different time. So these are some of the locations, and I guess this has a location too, and that'll all come up. Maybe it's at 7. Okay. So we'll just go back all the way down. So this was Calçada to Carmo. So now we're just out back at the regular streets. Yeah, these street lines didn't come on yet either. And now we're just down at our regular road. So I guess that's the one that I was hoping would come on. So we're gonna end our video, and that was a little excursion off this kind of busy type of area. And that'll be the end of the video. Oh, the streetlights just came on. Perfect. Okay. Huh. Okay. The streetlights just came on, so you can see the streetlights are on now. So we're gonna go up Carmo after all and kind of give you an idea what it looks like. Just popped on right after I came down, so we'll give you a view of it. So some streetlights came on and some didn't. So these ones for the trees are on and the streetlights are on. So those do come on. I guess they're a little bit late. I thought they were programmed, but I guess maybe manually. So you can see that the lights do come on, but the light show probably won't be for another hour, I don't think. So anyways, that's Carmo. And the street lights are on now, so it does look pretty cool. But we couldn't capture the couldn't capture the light show part of it. So, but that's Carmo 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.